Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Estafa case step by step. Gather all evidence, organize dates and documents, and identify witnesses right away. Know the approximate value involved and the respondent's details before drafting your complaint. Prepare a clear chronological narrative and make photocopies of all papers for submission. Choose the proper filing route, either the prosecutor's office or e-filing, and note follow-up timelines to track progress. Start by creating a concise timeline that ties each act to the alleged loss and the respondent. Collect originals like receipts, bank transfers, contracts, and messages that show deceptive intent or false promises. Ask witnesses to provide signed statements with contact details and notarize when available to strengthen credibility. Photograph physical items and compile digital evidence in one folder to simplify submission during the filing process and future hearings. Write a straightforward complaint that lists facts in order, including exact dates, amounts, and the relief you seek. Attach photocopies of every supporting document and include a brief cover letter summarizing the main points for quick review. File the complaint at the proper prosecutor's office or via an authorized e-filing portal, obtain a receipt, and note the assigned case number. Follow up periodically and be prepared to respond to additional requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.